Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a refreshing Mojito Sprite. First, gather your ingredients: fresh mint, a lime, and a can of Sprite. You'll also need a little white sugar and plenty of ice. Make sure you have a muddler and a sturdy glass ready to go. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick, delicious drink anytime. Now, let's get to the fun part. Place your mint leaves, lime wedges, and sugar into your glass. Gently muddle them together, just enough to release the fragrant oils from the mint and juice from the lime. Be careful not to overmuddle, as this can make the mint taste bitter. Once muddled, fill your glass almost to the top with ice. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. On another note, making drinks can sometimes lead to hunger, so why not make meal prep easy with some fantastic leak-proof containers? They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Next, slowly pour your chilled Sprite over the muddled mint, lime, and ice. The fizz will help mix everything beautifully. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the flavors are well incorporated throughout the drink. For that perfect finishing touch, garnish your Mojito Sprite with a fresh lime slice and a vibrant mint sprig. Enjoy your homemade refreshment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.